How's it going, guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'll be talking about burning. So why did I choose burning, the only topic? From my childhood I like to burn things. That's why I chose this topic. So in this video I'll be talking about burning and many things about it. Even I'm going to give you some examples, and at the end we'll have an exercise. Best of luck. Okay, so for the first thing, what is burning? Burning is a chemical reaction. I know it's a chemical reaction, but how it happens? Okay, now I'll explain for you guys. When a substance combines with something, like when a substance combines with oxygen in the burning equation, oxygen will never change forever, will never change. So the substance need to change, which will react with oxygen, but oxygen will never change. So we cannot say magnesium will react with carbon dioxide. We have to say oxygen. I will talk about this later. I will explain more in my next video. So now let us as a beginners know first small things. Let's start our video. Okay. Burning is a chemical reaction in which a substance combines with oxygen and heat energy is released. So when the substance combines with oxygen, fire is released. Okay. Burning doesn't have a word equation, but we can change something in this word equation. It has, but we can change something. It's not like always the same. It can be changed. Like in here, we have methane and oxygen. So what are the reactants? Methane and oxygen. So when methane reacts with oxygen, the products will be carbon dioxide plus water. In this word equation, methane reacted with oxygen and the products were carbon dioxide and water. Another example for burning. Magnesium plus oxygen will give us magnesium oxide. So, as you can see, guys, oxygen never changes in the first equation and the other equation. As I told you, it will never change forever. So in this slide, I can see that magnesium reacted with oxygen to give us magnesium oxide. So in this slide, I'll be talking about oxidational reaction. When substance combines with oxygen, as we can say combustion, we say that oxidation has taken place. When iron rust, it combines with oxygen from the air, iron oxide is formed. Combustion is a type of exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction in which energy is given out into the environment. So I want to explain something which I told you later, but now I want to explain before. Okay. So here acid burning is a chemical reaction in which a substance combines with oxygen. That's okay. Heat energy is released. What do I mean by heat energy is released? What I mean is that, like, when we burn something, we have fire. So sometimes the fire will change. Like, we will find a bit blue. It's about the substance. Like, if you put silver, it will be a bit blue, a bit yellow, and it's something like this. I will let you know about it in my next video. And here, as I want to explain something which is very important. In here, I said magnesium and oxygen will react. So these are the reactants. But sometimes we can, like, say, if we said, like, example, I want to say something. 1 second. Okay. If we said carbon, can we say carbon oxide? Yes, we can. We can always. Why didn't we say magnesium oxygen? It's not. When there are, like, more things combined with oxygen, we say oxide. Like, in our next video, I will teach you. I hope you guys understand this video. So now I'll be going to questions. Okay, questions. In these questions, I want you guys to listen, like, to read the question, then think about it and try to give the answer, but in your mind. So in each question you need to pass the video, or you can also don't pass, because I will give you 10 seconds, then I will show the answer. I will also be explaining for you the question. So let's go and start. Okay, the first question. What is needed for combustion to take place? Okay, what is needed for I'm giving you a hint. What is the thing which will never change in the word equation? And this is the answer. Okay, I can. If you said methane, it's wrong, and also if you said magnesium, it's wrong. Because I said in that slides, I said that they can change. We can say carbon, we can say magnesium, we can say copper, we can say many other things. So what will be the answer? I think you guys already knew it. Oxygen. Oxygen is the answer. Because I told you that oxygen will never change forever. Now let's go to the second question. What is an exothermic reaction? What is an exothermic reaction? I told you that energy is given out. So what can I understand from energy is given out? So why did I talk about combustion in this thing? I want to ask you a question. Is combustion an exothermic reaction? Most of you will say yes, and most of you will say no. So if you want to say yes or no, in the third or fourth question you will know the answer. So let us know what is an exothermic reaction. It is something we said it before, but you guys need to think about it. I will explain for you now. What is an exothermic reaction? They want the definition of exothermic reaction. In the fourth slide we already explained. So now I want to tell you that exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction, is a part of chemical reaction. So when energy is given out to an environment, we say exothermic reaction. As you see here in the answer, it's written exothermic reaction is chemical reaction. You also guys can say until chemical reaction is given out. You don't need to write environment in this thing. It's just extra. Now let's go to the third question. It's the questions I told you about. How can you tell that burning is an exothermic reaction? Think about it, guys, and we'll be back after 7 seconds. Welcome back. So, as I told you, burning is an exothermic reaction, and if you said no, you were wrong because the answer is yes, and it is an exothermic reaction because fire is given out. So how can you tell us that it is true? Some of you will say because it has oxygen, it's wrong. Because it's something given out, which is energy, which is fire. Let's see the answer and you will know that. So because it releases heat to the environment, heat which is fire. So let's go to the fourth question. Which compound is formed when you react copper with oxygen? I think you guys know this. So we can change, instead of methane or magnesium, we can change copper. So I'm giving you 5 seconds because it's an easy question. Think about it and we'll be back. Okay, if you thought it's like copper oxide, you are correct. You are correct because, as I said, methane combined with oxygen, we can say something oxide, or we can say magnesium. When it reacts with oxygen, we can say magnesium oxide. It's only the first element will change. So we can say copper oxide. It's a good answer. The last question, which is the fifth question. What is combustion? This whole presentation is about combustion. I hope you guys know the answer. I'll give you 7 seconds. Think about it and we'll be back. Okay, what is combustion? Now, we are back. So combustion is burning. Yeah, what is the definition of combustion? Combustion is when something comes with something. So what do you think of it, guys? I think most of you get the answer because our topic is about burning and you guys know. So combustion is a chemical reaction when something combines with oxygen and heat energy is released. Let's see. It's, as I said, it's a chemical reaction or process in which substance react with oxygen and give heat. Okay, I hope you guys understand and get benefit of this video. If you like the video, tell me, and if you don't like, it's okay. As you like, ignore. And if there is some mistakes, ignore it because it's my first video, and I hope I'll be better in my next videos. If you have any questions, tell me, and best of luck.